Lexington is a really unique city in the sense that it's really large and open, so you get a lot of diversity, but it's also small enough where you can really feel comfortable with everything going around in Lexington. UK's campus is very close to downtown Lexington, which is really the heart of this area.
There's a park downtown, Triangle Park, there's Rupp Arena, there is plenty of good places to eat downtown. Outside of Lexington, we have our own ballpark, we have plenty of horse parks to go to around here. Horse riding is one of your things. We also have plenty of outdoor parks to go to. We also have a castle that's 10 miles west. I don't think any place can say they have a castle.
Lexington is a good place to live because it's very safe, the population is very educated, and you get a lot of different diverse viewpoints.
Weather here in Lexington is just absolutely phenomenal. It's sunny all year round, and even if we get a couple inches of snow, the sun always comes out and melts it pretty quick.